Hello dear friend, my name is Ana Victoria Estor Villa. I am 39 years old. I live in Sabana de Torres, Santander. I study psychology. I am going to tell the video 5 steps to improve the way you listen to English. Relax. Relaxing and focusing around in what you are hearing will give you a better opportunity of understanding. Don't try translating. Just listen. Don't try to translate them as you hear them. No worry about what you don't understand. Use context to help you understand. The comprehension does not rely only on your listening skills. The facial expression can use you depending on the situation you face. Practice with different situations and voices. Listen to many and various tasks, advising if you can. Making a study plan. Develop an organized weekly study schedule with information that you can find on the internet after work. You might place it on a word. At the beginning of the video, they talk about some situation. Name at least 2 of those situations. A. You are listening to 4 friends from different countries who are on a train speaking non-native English with different accents. B. You are listening to a new program on the radio or at a podcast. There are many different speakers and of course they cannot be seen. In the 31 minutes, the other language spoken is Portuguese. There are the 2 rules for the 5 steps. Rule number 1. Do something every day. Rule number 2. Do something different every day. What is the lesson plan that they propose? Monday. Listen to 1 to 2 songs 2 to 3 times each. Tuesday. Listen to a podcast with American voices. Wednesday. Watch 15 minutes of a TV show from the United Kingdom. Thursday. Do a listening exercise from a textbook. Friday. Watch 15 minutes of new show. Saturday. Watch 15 minutes of our movie. Sunday. Call a friend and spend 15 minutes speaking in English. How to stick to your plan? To speak to the plan, I must make enough commitment to start. Organizing and study strategy. With commitment for and dedication, sharing a goal of mastering the English language. Put the plan in a place where you can see it. Looking forward to the future as a person who speaks to Spanish and English language. This could be done with commitment, dedication. What kind of lesson plan would you propose? I propose the following plan. Monday. Listen to audios in English. Tuesday. Read stories that contain more familiar words. Wednesday. Speak in English with another person who is interested in learning English. Thursday. Watch TV programs in English with subtitle receivers. Friday. Listen to short audios and imitate tense. Saturday. Listen to 2 songs in English 2 or 3 times each. Sunday. Match images with its meant in English and learn new words to enrich vocabulary. For this, almost allocate 15 minutes daily. Have in mind the video. Where can you obtain material to practice English? With the student can obtain material to practice English on the internet, on Google, or any other search engines. One can carry out specific research concerning the appropriate level of knowledge the student has of English or any topic in general. Thank you.